Ever wondered why users often leave right after completing a quiz or form? Hey there! Today we'll learn how to create thank you pages that keep the momentum going and encourage users to take the next step. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the quiz or content piece you'd like to edit. Now, most thank you pages simply say, "Thanks for submitting." But a high converting thank you page should do much more than that. Let's start with the headline. Instead of a plain message like "Thank you," try something more engaging like "Your personalized results are ready" or "Thanks, here's what to do next." This keeps the excitement going even after the quiz is completed. Next, add a short supporting message that reassures users and sets expectations. For example, "We've identified your procrastination style and prepared insights to help you stay more productive." This makes the experience feel more personalized and valuable. Now let's talk about momentum. Your thank you page is the perfect place to guide users toward another action. Instead of ending the journey, use a CTA, like "Download your free guide" or "Explore more." You can also use thank you pages to encourage deeper interaction. For example, add related articles, product recommendations, or another interactive quiz. This keeps users engaged with your brand for longer. Another great strategy is adding urgency or exclusivity. For example, "Unlock additional insights today." Small prompts like these can encourage quicker action. You can even make your thank you page feel more human with conversational copy like, "We're excited to help you grow," or "Thanks for taking the time to share your responses." Thank you pages are also a great opportunity for lead generation. After users discover their procrastination style, you can keep the momentum going with a simple and friendly follow-up message like, "Want personalized productivity tips? Let us know how we can get in touch." Then ask for basic details like name and email address. This helps turn quiz engagement into meaningful leads without disrupting the user journey. And don't forget, thank you pages are also a great place to collect more engagement. You can invite users to share the quiz, follow your social channels, or retake the quiz. Once your thank you page is ready, click on Go Live. You can then share your quiz link, embed it directly on your website, and start turning engaged users into valuable leads. With Outgrow, you can fully customize your thank you pages using personalized messaging, CTA buttons, videos, and interactive follow-ups to create experiences that don't just end with the submission. They keep users moving forward. Keep the momentum going even after the quiz ends with interactive experiences built on Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial today